Now, where else are you going to buy one of these with no VAT? The answer is nowhere. Ford Ranger Raptor 3-litre V6 on a 23. It's done 19,000 miles. I know this is going to sell straight away in Carbonised Grey because there is no VAT. So if you're not a business and you don't want to run it through a business, you just want to buy it and own one of the best trucks on the road, then this is your truck, built by the Ford Performance team. It's in an exceptional order. It's got warranty with Ford until 2026, and it's got the Raptor Pack giving it Towbar electric shutter. It's got the Splash Pack with all the decals running throughout, including through the bonnet, down the sides. It's a fantastic commercial vehicle, more off-road focused, more aggressive than the normal Wild Track. It's a fabulous truck in the V6 as well, in the petrol. It's going to be very popular, so if you're interested, you need to give us a call and get it secured straight away. You can see from the truck, it has got a different suspension setting that you would get in a normal Ranger Wild Track. The Splash Pack giving it this lovely detailing throughout in the stickers. The big Ford Raptor grille, which is stunning. It's just a good colour, this truck, isn't it? I think it looks classy and not too in your face. A lot of these Raptors are blue or red, which I like the darker colours, the blacks and the greys, and I think this is why this is going to sell. All-terrain tyres, smaller wheels, more off-road focused, and it's built by the Ford Performance team, so you've got little details like the kick sills with the Ford Performance, but look at the interior, softer leather, red accents throughout. This has got 360 camera, adaptive cruise, heated wheel, heated front seat, different drive modes. It sounds incredible as well. Plus it's practical because if you've got a family, it's got a double cab, it's got 4 doors. Look at it in the back. Stunning vehicle. I'm going to reiterate this no VAT thing because it's a big feature of buying this. The Splash Pack now, this gives it the decals on the right and the left, which looks stunning, especially when you've got that Raptor badging. The new Ranger now comes with the embossed Ranger logo, different Ford badging. You can see it's got Towbar with electrics, we've got power shutter, we've got these, don't even know what to call them, but they're an option and they're on it anyway. Raptor badging, new style LED lights with blind spot and also new style lights at the front. The Raptor has the bigger side steps also with little details, because it is all in the details when you're buying something. The little Raptor badges embossed onto there. And then when we get in it, you'll see electric driver seat. But look at the seats in this, because we've got the Raptor embossed in red stitching and red leather that runs through with little bits of Alcantara. I love the interior, especially the steering wheel. It just feels like you're in something a little bit more different. And then when you hear it, it sounds incredible. Now on the steering wheel, you can see we've got loads of buttons. On this side, we've got we've got lane assist and adaptive cruise. On this side, we've got the heated wheel. We've got adjustive dampers, so you can change the setup of your damper system. And we've got different performance driving modes. So it's all currently in normal. If I show you that again, you can then tailor the steering, the dampers, the exhaust, and to your preference, have it sounding a little bit louder, because you've got normal, you've got sport, and you've got Baja mode, which makes it just sound that little bit better. Then we've got things like top view camera, reversing camera. We've also got wireless smartphone integration, wireless smartphone charging, navigation, B&O stereo system. I don't think there's anything this vehicle wants for, because it's VAT qualifying, it's in an exceptional order, it's in a great colour, it's got every option inside, and it's on the website now at £49,990, just under 50 grand, no VAT, 19,000 miles, still loads of Ford warranty remaining. It has to sell straight away. So if you're interested, my name and number is on the screen. Give me a call, WhatsApp, get in touch. Thanks for watching.